Hey, this is Rick from Outdoor Emergencies at hikingemergencybeacon.com. And it's one cold morning out here in Colorado. It's about 17 or 18 degrees. Today we're going to do a navigation test and we're going to see if we get an off-course alert when we go far away from the course I'm going to create. But before we get into all that, please like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so you'll be alerted as soon as I put out new videos. Now it's a little windy here today, besides being cold, so it makes it all worse. I know you guys are feeling really sorry for me from the comfort of your warm environment. Probably sitting in front of a fireplace right now, but that's okay. I'm not jealous. So I'm using my 67i today. I am synced with my smartphone. I've already double checked to make sure I'm connected to the Explorer app and the Messenger app. We're going to get right into this here. We're going to go to the Explorer app. You know, I can do the course planner on my device or the phone. It's easier for me to do it on my phone. I prefer that. So let's get right into it and create this course. You're going to hit the plus icon at the top left. At that point, it's going to say create course. Well, it says create waypoint or an import GPX file. I'm going to create course. Now here is where you just start placing a point down. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here so that I can see a way through the trees. I'm going to put a point down where I'm at. Then I'm going to go through this meadow over here. Then I'm going to come around these trees to where I'm going to wrap the video up. But in this case here, I'm going to go the opposite direction. But let's just finish setting this up. So at the top right, I hit save. Now it has the name of the course. I always change the name of the course because I don't like it to have the date and the time. You might like that. I'm going to leave the date, but then I'm going to type in nav test. After I do that, I'm going to hit OK, and here's where it now shows the new name, and then I can just hit go. Once I hit go, it says select a navigation device. I've got both the Fenix 7X, my watch, and my GPSMAP 67i. I'm going to select the 67i. And here it says enable tracking, so I'm going to do that. And now it's syncing the course with the device. It's going to come up here in a second and ask if I want to sync both devices. This normally takes about 30 seconds to a minute to sync the device, and it makes it worse when it's cold and windy out here. I know. You feel sorry for me. All right, it says additional devices detected, and I'm going to hit start all, because I want to see it on my watch also, since it's an adventure watch and I can see the route as I'm hiking with the watch, in addition to the 67i and my smartphone. All right, it's all set up. The course is magenta. You can see where I am and the triangle, and it actually has the Bluetooth symbol on the triangle showing that it is connected. The course is this way through those trees. Now, what I want to show you is, first of all, I'm going to use my 67i to look at it as I'm navigating, but instead of going through this open field here where I put the course, I'm going to head back over here to these trees and I'm going to go the opposite direction. The reason I'm doing this is to get more distance away from the course so I can get the off-course and on-course alert. Here's a little tip if you didn't know it. You need to set the course alerts, but those course alerts are in the marine menu. You have to go into the menu, then go into the setup menu, go down to the marine menu. Then you'll see course alerts there. You'll go into it and you'll have several options, and one of them you'll see on the screen, and it's in miles. Now you need to pick the lowest amount of miles possible, and that would be 0.01, which will turn out to be around 53 feet. Now, give or take, say 20, 30 feet for the satellite accuracy here. I would just say conservatively, I should get a course alert, specifically an off-course alert, within 100 feet. That's what I'm going to find out. If I don't get that, there's either a setting wrong on my 67i or there's something wrong with the device. So let's get hiking and we'll see if I get that course alert. Okay, you may not be able to see it very well, but there will be screenshots, and the magenta course is straight in front of me through that open space there, but I am going to turn away from that and I'm going to go right up here that way, as far away as I can get away from the course, and see if I get an off-course alert. Okay, it just beeped, and you can see right here it says off course. My guess is it was more than 100 feet, roughly 150 to 200 feet, but success. I got an off course. Now one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around here and I'm going to go back to the course. I was going to hike that way, but now that I got the off course, let's go back and get on the course and see if we get the on course alert. Okay, maybe you can see that, maybe you can't, but it's an on-course alert. So I'm close to being back on course. I would say I got that on-course alert when I was within 30 feet or so of this course. The course takes me through the open meadow there, but there's a faster way to the point through these trees to the left. I know this area well, so let's get over here to my video location and wrap this test up. Okay, on the phone you can see that it says GPSMAP 67i off route, and it also says stop. On the device itself, on my 67i, I can also see that I'm beyond the route now. I'm close to where I wanted to be, and if I turn back this way, I'll see more of the course. Taking screenshots of that for all of you. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to stop it from the device. So I'm going to hit stop. Now I just have this blue cyan tracks behind me. I also have the darker blue course that I had put here before. You see all that. And I am finished with this test. Let's see what it shows on here. Yep, it just shows us the cyan line for the track. It's hard to see if the course shows up on that. The course does show up on my phone. All right, that's a success. And I was really concerned because I wasn't getting that course or off course and on course alerts in some past tests. Yesterday when I was testing the track back, I did get the course alerts. Now today with this navigation, by creating the course, I did get course alerts also, both on course and off course alert. That's what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, leave comments below. Offer advice, tips, tricks, or constructive criticism. I'll take it all. Please like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so you'll be alerted as soon as I put out some new videos. And I'll see you back out here in Colorado before you know it.